The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flood advisory until 12:45 a.m. Thursday. What? Urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of central Alabama, including the following counties, Lowndes and Montgomery. When? Until 12:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 9:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Montgomery, Moses, Paineville, Gordonville, Danleyfield, Hope Hull, Pindala, Woodcrest, Hyundai Motors of Alabama, Snowdon, Maxwell Air Force Base, Alabama State University, Montgomery Riverwalk Stadium, Alabama State Capitol, Pinedale, Montgomery Zoo, Boylston, Gunter Air Force Base, Beechwood and East Del Mall. Precautionary preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Hey, Amethyst?
What? No, you're Amethyst!
What? No, you're Amethyst!